Welcome to Rajazkitchen. Let's cook shawarma today.
At first,
Take thigh part of chicken. Make a small incision. I mean 3 to 4 cuts on chicken. Now take chicken in a plate. Add salt, chili powder, curd and ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon.
mix it nicely. Let's put chicken in oven for 25 minutes at 170 degree. Meanwhile, take a lemon, an onion, cabbage, a beetroot and a tomato. Chop them nicely. Turn off the oven and take the chicken out in a plate. Take a shawarma sheet or tortilla. Add tomato sauce and cheesy mayonnaise.
Spread cabbage on top.
Let the chicken fall from heaven. Take out the bone from chicken smoothly. Spread chopped beetroots, onions and all other veggies evenly and at last a drop of lemon. Spread tomato sauce and mayonnaise all over the veggies nicely and evenly. It looks so delicious and rich in texture. It's time to fold our shawarma tight to make it right. Turn on the flame. Roast our shawarma in a pan for both sides nicely and evenly. Our shawarma is ready to serve and eat. Thank you for watching our recipe, everyone.